aming paggabay sa aming buhay araw-araw. Ano man po ang nakita mo sa aming kakulangan, ano man po ang nakita mo sa aming kasalanan, hiling po ng lahat ng narito, patawad po sa pagkukulang namin at kasalanan. Narinig po ng aming panalangin po, ilapit po sa iyong makapangyarihang kamay ang kaganapan sa aming kapaligiran. Hinihiling po namin o Ama, magpagkalooban mo nawa ng malinaw na mga kaisipan ang mga naninimuno sa aming bansa, dahil din po ang mga magistrado sa kataas-taasang hukuman upang lahat ng kanilang pinagpapasya ay maging ayon sa iyong banal na kalooban. Hangad po namin ang maraming Diyos ang kapayapaan at kalayaan sa aming bayan upang ganap din po namin may pagpatuloy ang isa naming mapayapa at malayang pagsamba at paglilingkod sa iyong banal na harapan. O Panginoon namin Hesus Kristo, pinakamalapit ka pa sa ating Ama, ang aming panalangin sa Kanya. Alam namin iyong ganap may pagkakaloob, lalo na hindi naman ito nalabag sa Kanyang banal na kalooban. O aming Diyos, sumasampalataya mo ang ito naaasa, ganap ang aming pag-asa ng aming panalangin ito, ng alamin po sa iyong banal na kaitaasan. Lahat ng ito po'y aming hinihiling sa pangalan po ng aming tagapagligtas, ang aming Panginoong Hesus Kristo. Amen.
Kita mo, hangin pa yung bull. Hangin pa yun. Oo. Si Coco. Yung Gona. Hangin pa yun. Pero hangin pa yun.
Small courtrooms and offices, enhanced justice on wheels or agile buses have been happening all over Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, literally bringing justice closer to the people. These respond to the situation of the poor charged in criminal cases who stay in jail.
Your Honor, Mr. President, we're not yet done with our witness, Mr. Garcia. Because we are awaiting the decision of this honorable tribunal on his explanation regarding the foreign currency accounts of Renato Corona. So we want to suspend our the re-examination until Monday, and we want to present now. We want to call our next witness.
The gentleman from New York. Mr. President, we have a few clarificatory questions on Mr. Garcia. If the witness is available to sit down, we would like to raise this question.
In that case, Mr. President, we will call our witness, Mr. Garcia.
Please bring the witness, Mr. Garcia of the PS Bank, to go back to the witness chair and to answer questions. True, here in this court, there are some shows. So I'm just telling you that so that we will not procedure.
Explain the context of my case.
No, proceed.
The information and the documents as based on the subpoena that was required of us. So we presented the information as required.
Do you have no information as of now on the amount of the opening account?
I have no information as of now, and I do believe that it's not covered by the law.
Can you please stop making your own opinions? This has been decided by this court. Are you reading? Can you bring the amount, the information to the amount, opening amount on 089-121-020?
How do you describe Johnson? This surely the lady.
Hindi po kami nalaro sa Liga. Kasi nagkakaroon po kami sa Pina. Kasi pinagi po na-produces sa Liga. Nag-attach.
Ang tinatanong ko sa inyo, sino ang maglabas ng listahan ng LRA sa publiko?
Inaala ko sa I think it was
The rule on this was the tendency of the person to expand what was agreed upon in the group was a decision of the impeachment court. And I want to know whether they're going to change the ruling that we have issued beforehand.
with respect to the documents and attach the letter coming from the
So you are now admitting that you yourself released it to the media.
We did not release it to the media, Your Honor. We filed it with the impeachment investigation panel sa ebidensya o nalaya laban sa puno ng Estado.
Thank you, Mr. President. As a resident of the record, we are now promised ng tutas. I said earlier that they did not
May I proceed, Your Honor?
proceed.
Ay may halos lampas 12 million pesos si Chief Justice Corona sa account na ito. This was of course preceded by a very important announcement that the Supreme Court had granted itong petition for a TRO na final ng PS Bank that would have that now prevents the Senate from subpoenaing yung mga any records or documents or any testimony with regard to any US dollar or foreign currency accounts held by PS Bank. Ang botahan dito ay 8 to 5, meaning 8 in favor of granting the TRO, 5 who wanted, who were against granting the TRO. Yung mga 5 so-called dissenters na yan ay si Justices Carpio, Del Castillo, Peralta, Sereno, and Bernadette.
Alright. Very interesting, kasi si Del Castillo at saka si Peralta appointee ng GMA. At saka si Del Castillo may kaso ngayon na plagiarism. Plagiarism. Sa Miller, babalaman na lahat. Si Chief Justice Corona hindi nag-require. Tapos sa nag-rapor, napunta kay Presbyterio Velasco na tinanggihan naman sapagkat yung anak niya ay membro ng pumirma sa impeachment.
But I think tama, no? And then at the same time, pinag-usapan niya yung hinilin na TRO ng defense with regard to the impeachment trial itself, no? In-explain ng spokesman, Supreme Court spokesman, Midas Marquez, na ang nangyari, narasol ito at napunta rin nga dito kay Justice Velasco at dahil nga hindi lumatanggap at may anak na siya sa Kongreso ay at the moment walang justice in charge dito sa kaso ito, which is why
no action.
No action was taken at ang kailangan niya gagawin mag-redact.
Yes. Ang dalawang kaso ng Kalida, isa yung Senate PSB, yung Senate Bank, at sila Justice Corona. Yes. Hindi ginagawa yung Justice Corona kasamantala. Hindi lang. At ang ginagawa. So ginrag po yun. Kaya para malinaw po yun, ang ginrag ay yung sa PSB. Pero tuloy pa rin yun sa peso account.
Sa PSB and sa PS Bank at regarding lang yung dollar account. Pero ang naging resulta yan on the impeachment trial, in-announce nga ni Senator Judge Lacson. At dahil dyan, in-excuse na agad itong si PS Bank President Garcia. Dahil wala na yata itatanong pa tungkol sa peso accounts, or rather, they will defer until Monday any further questioning on the peso accounts. At dahil
daming iglesia ni Cristo kanina. Mga iglesia lahat yan? Oo. Ano?